How to fix YouTube comment section not showing, problem solved. Hello guys, welcome back to another brand new video. So today in this video I'm going to show you how you can fix this problem. So before starting the videos, I would like to request you please to hit that subscribe button and press the bell icon. So without wasting much more time, let's get started. So guys, here first of all what you need to do here is that you can see the box icon on the bottom right corner. Just you need to tap here, and then here you can see the comment icon. Simply you need to click on this comment icon, and here you'll get all the comment on the top right side, you can see, but it's little disturbing. So the next thing what you can do is that you have to go to Chrome browser and click on YouTube here, and then here from here you will definitely gonna get the comment section. For example, let me just show you, for example, this video, and here you can see you'll get all the comment. Here you can see on the bottom you can see all the comments. So I hope this video is absolutely helpful for you. Thanks for watching.